Now, in recent weeks, devastating floods have wreaked havoc on several communities in the Afram Plain area, leaving places like Seneso, Mosepinin, Akuma, and other communities in dire straits.
The combined impact of the floods, exacerbated by the pre-existing poverty in these regions, has raised concerns. The vulnerable communities are grappling with widespread destruction, compounding the challenges they already face.
Afram praise no Afram no ebeyen nti dam no mbie no yeden a eno e ka ho se Afram ifiri mu saa nti e ma ha ye nso eyiri pa a sisi ya ye wa hai kwadwuma ne ye ebi domo e gbobro e to e tinkate e bia bode e ba sa no nso na tai ama ye no ba ni ngaa fawu a sisi ya ye wo mi die
Moved by the urgent need, the Mawuli Foundation for Widows and Orphans, alongside general friends, have taken a proactive stance. They have donated essential items including food, water, drinks, clothes, and various necessities, recognizing the pressing need for immediate humanitarian support. Despite their efforts, the relief team faced obstacles in reaching the affected communities due to a deteriorating road network, highlighting the infrastructural challenges exacerbating the crisis. Mr. Abubakar Issa, a constituency chairman, expressed his heartfelt gratitude for the assistance, acknowledging the Mawuli Foundation and friends for their kindness and support during these trying times.
Looking at the nature of the constituency, most of the people are farmers, and with this flood, I think most of the communities were affected. That has led to so many livestock and other farm activities being spoiled. As I said, it's the first of its kind. Normally, issues of this kind, it's not easy to get the support from anywhere. So, like I said, we thank them for this support, and we are very much grateful.
Madam Veronica Dossi, a representative of the relief effort, spoke with the news team. She emphasized the importance of extending help to those in need, underscoring the necessity of collective efforts to alleviate the suffering caused by the floods and poverty.
We came with some friends from Accra to donate this item to them. And actually, today is our first time of coming to this part of the country. And we would like to use the opportunity to thank our donors. Gates Company Limited supported us, 37 DBLA supported us, Boyman Market Women supported us, Achimota Market supported us, individuals and friends also supported us. We are so grateful to everyone. From here we are moving into the community to see the places that are still under the water and we see what we can do from here.
In the face of adversity, the collaborative efforts of the Mawuli Foundation and supportive friends stand as a beacon of hope for these distressed communities.